guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to draw Selena's red lips. And as you see in the video, I'm starting with a very dark brown color for a very bright layer. We try to cover all the parts, and then you have to fade everywhere with a brush or anything you have. Then continuing with a red color. Well, obviously they're red lips, so we need to go on with a red color. And again, cover all the areas and fade. As you see, it's brown again. We're gonna use blue because there's so many blue in red, in red lips. Mostly in darker parts, we need blue. This time we're using red, but you need to push it. Not too much, but yeah. Push to cover all the places, all the white dots. It's really important how you fade everything.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give a game.
Then use a dark purple color to draw the lines and all the darker places.
I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile?
We add the lights with an eraser.
She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, yeah. So you're trying to leave this. I saw the dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. Just one two step, one two step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah.
Again, repeat everything on the other lip.
So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, girl, I gotta give a game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. You tryna leave? How I love to keep you here with me, you baby. Just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if you shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Hope you make her understand. Y'all will leave your hands like this. Y'all will make her bounce like this. Let her know she was made for you, and you wanna do everything she want to, man.
And for the teeth, you need a gray. And never go without any gray because they're really gray and they're never as white as your paper. So we add gray. And at the end, ta-da!